Uninstalling Oracle database involves removing the software, services, and related files. Here's a step-by-step guide. Stop Oracle services. Open the Services app or use terminal commands to stop all Oracle-related services. For example, on Windows, press Win+R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Locate Oracle services and stop them. On Linux or Unix, uninstall Oracle software. On Windows, go to Control Panel, Programs and Features. Select all Oracle-related software and click Uninstall. On Linux or Unix, navigate to the Oracle home directory. Run the destination tool. Delete Oracle-related files. Delete the Oracle installation folder. On Windows, remove entries in the following directories. Clean registry. Open the registry editor and search for Oracle entries to delete them carefully. Remove environment variables. Edit system environment variables to remove Oracle-specific paths.